Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Great white sharks need decades to reach adult size. Eating grapes gives a natural glow on the skin. It takes 6 months to make a Rolls Royce. An average life of a Rolls Royce car is 100 years. Tonga, one of only 2 white servals known to exist. This is an award-winning picture taken with microscopic lens and ant pushing a water droplet. The world's largest hotel, Abraj Kudai, with 10,000 rooms, 70 restaurants and 5 rooftop helipads is all set to open in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Our hearts have nothing to do with the feeling of being in love. It's only a chemical reaction of the brain. The most effective way to memorize things is to take 17 minutes break for every 52 minutes of studying. If thin people eat dates with chana or chickpea, they gain weight very quickly. Denmark's flag is the oldest and continuously used national flag. One egg per week can reduce your risk of diabetes by 76%. The inventor of a Rubik's Cube would not solve his own puzzle for a month. Peanut butter contains lots of oil and vitamins which could be nourishing on the skin. There is a road in France that can be used twice a day for a few hours, then it disappears under 13 feet of water. Meet Alyssa Carson. She can't get married, she can't have kids, she's preparing to become the first human on Mars and she will never return on Earth. Sunflowers are actually made up of hundreds of smaller flowers in near perfectly symmetry. Queen Elizabeth II is the only person in the world that does not need a passport or visa to travel anywhere in the world. Sharks are the only animals that never get sick. UAE generates $35 billion from fines every year from citizens who break the traffic rule. YouTube has a production space in Los Angeles that is free to use if you have 10,000 subscribers. Drinking warm water combined with the juice of an orange first thing in the morning is great for burning fat and improving digestion. Pineapple juice is 5 times more effective than cough syrup. It also prevents colds and the flu. Banana milkshake sweetened with honey is one of the best ways to cure a hangover. According to a report, the world wastes about 1 billion metric tons of food each year. Most of the smart people have bad handwriting because they tend to think faster. The world's tallest living man, Sultan Kosin, is 30 years old from Turkey. In 2021, 49% of Facebook users are old generation. India has over 2 million Hindu temples and over 300,000 mosques. If you live up to 70 years, then you will yawn approximately 250,000 times, that's about 10 yawns per day. According to Stanford University, you likely only dream about faces you have already seen in person or your favorite web series. Construction of the Taj Mahal estimated cost was at 32 million Indian rupees, which is similar to 75 billion rupees in 2021. When you really love someone, you can hear their voice in your head while texting them. When a boy falls in love with his loved ones, he can do anything for her. The researchers have found that a single cloud could weigh about 1.1 million pounds. In Russian population ratio, there are 9 million more women than men. Even in an airplane, a journey to planet Pluto would take about 800 years to reach the destination. The most used hashtags on Instagram are #love, #instagood, #me, #cute and #follow. Girls who laugh and talk a lot usually cry alone at night. If you sneeze too hard, you could possibly fracture a rib. Between North Korea and South Korea, the forest of 155 miles lies with no single human being. Average South Koreans are 4 centimeters taller than North Koreans. If you lift a kangaroo's tail off the ground, it can hop. Approximately 50 million people worldwide suffer from stuttering, an involuntary repetition of sounds that impedes speech. Convincing yourself you slept well tricks your brain into thinking it did. Sleeping for more than 9 hours at a time can actually damage your immune system. The world's longest burning light bulb was installed in 1901 and has been glowing ever since. The type of music you listen to affects the way you perceive the world. In South Korea, the number of guests Viagra was invented to lower blood pressure, but its side effect resulted in erection of penis. Now it's known by its side effect. Thanks for watching.